Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up the hood and remove the engine cowling on the Kubota BX1860. It's a really simple task, no tools required. Well, let's get into it. Like stated in the intro, there's no tools required for this. We're going to go up here to the center of the hood, right here on this latch, and we're going to push it to the tractor's left-hand side. Trying not to push down on the hood, the latch should stay to the left. The next thing I'm going to do is grab the hood underneath, just at this seam, and lift up on it. And the hood should open up on its own like that. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this engine cowling. It's super simple. There's a couple things we wanna watch out for. There are two knobs here at the front that hold the cowling on. You can see that I'm missing a couple pieces on mine that are gonna be replaced with just a big fender washer. The other thing to watch out for is there's two grooves, and I'll show you them here, or two T-slots in the battery tray and in this cowling. So when we're putting it back on, we're gonna make sure we line those things up. The other thing we have here is the actual hood retention cord. And this simply slides right on this tab right here and holds our hood into a semi-open, semi-closed position. There is a set of directions right here on the engine's front or rear, depending on how you're talking about the engine in the Kubota. But first thing we're going to do to remove the cowling here is loosen these hood bolts. You can see that that's loosened up our cowling quite a bit. Now, in order to take our hood off, we're contacting the headlight bezels here. That's where this little strap comes in play. We're going to close the hood just to the point to where we can latch that just like that. That's going to hold our hood to the level so that we can pop this bezel or the cowling out. Just like that. One thing I've come across is that when you start pulling this out, you'll contact these little wings right here. So I like to go ahead and open up the hood the rest of the way. Sliding out. Not removing it all. You can see the little T-slots here and here that I mentioned, and they will simply slide in back like that, and then all the way up here to the engine, to the battery cowling behind it. So removing the cowling is simple as just finagling it out on both sides, and then just removing it like that. It comes completely off. This way here, I don't have to set it off the side. I've only got one hand because the camera. Installation is a little tricky. I might have to set you down for that. I'm going to give you a view of these T-slots and the engine cowling as I slide it back into place. So being careful, trying not to break anything else on here that's not already broken. I'm simply lifting and pushing back really easy. Now, lining up those T-slots. On both sides. Sliding the hood back. I'm lifting up on it a little bit and watching our hood latch bolts here, making sure that this tab is up and over top of it on both sides. So I'm going to have to lower the hood again. Sorry, once again, it's one-handed. Simply latching it like we did before. Gives us the clearance to simply slide it right back. And And now I'm looking at the seam for our battery tray or our intake screen, making sure we're tucked in behind there, tucked in behind here. We can go ahead, let our hood all the way up, tighten down our bolts, ensuring that they're holding the hood. And closing the hood, verifying that our latch is latched. So that's it. Me filming it took about 8 minutes max. Really, it'll take you a minute or two to take this apart to do any maintenance. Your air filter, you're good with just opening the hood. The engine oil, you will have to remove it. Hydraulics is all in the back. So hope that helps you guys out. Look back for more videos on the BX1860. I got plenty more things coming down the line for it. Thanks for watching.